In this video, we will discuss working of OR gate using diodes. So we have two diodes D1 and diode D2, and two voltages V1 and V2 are connected to these diodes D1 and D2. This is the voltage output voltage V out. This is load resistor RL, and it is connected to ground. So this is a two input OR gate because we have two inputs V1 and V2 and two diodes. So now we will study the working. We know that in the OR gate the output is high if one or more inputs is high. So the output will be high only and only if one or more inputs is high. If both the inputs are low, then the output will be low. So if V1 and V2 both are low, then the P of this diode is connected to low, and P of this diode is also connected to low. So the P terminals of both the diodes are connected to low if both V1 and V2 are low. So both of these diodes will act as reverse bias because P terminal is connected to 0 volt low voltage. So both these diodes will be reverse biased. So V out will be connected to ground via the load resistor. So if both V1 and V2 are low, then V out will be connected to ground via load resistor. So V out will be 0 or low logic. If V1 is high and V2 is low, if V1 is high and V2 is low, then this diode D1 will be, the P terminal of diode D1 will be connected to high. So it will be forward bias. And the P terminal of diode D2 will be connected to low if V2 is low. So D2 will be reverse bias. So if V1 is high, the diode D1 will be forward bias, or we can say the diode will act as short circuit. So V out will be connected to high voltage via this short circuit diode. So if V1 is high and V2 is low, then V out is also high. Now the third case, if V1 is low and V2 is high. If V1 is low, then this diode, the P terminal of this diode will be connected to low. So the diode D1 will be reverse bias. And if V2 is high, then the P terminal of diode D2 will be connected to high. So the diode D2 will be forward bias. So in the forward bias, the diode will act as short circuit. So this V out will be connected to V2 via this short circuit to logic high voltage. So V out will also be logic high. And if both V1 and V2 are logic high, in the fourth case, then both V1 and V2 are high voltage. So both D1 and D2 will be forward bias. So again V out will be connected to logic high voltages with via these short circuit diodes. So again V out will be high. So we can have this truth table as if both V1 and V2, if V1 and V2 both are low, if V1 and V2 both are low, then V out will also be 0. If V1 is 0 and V2 is 1, then V out will be 1. If V1 is 1 and V2 is 0, then V out will be 1. And if both V1 and V2 are 1 or logic high, then V out will be 1. So this 0 can also be said as logic low, and 1 can also be said as logic high. So if one or more of the inputs is high, then output voltage will be high. This is the working of OR gate using diode. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.